Ever thought of building a gaming PC with Dell Optiplex? Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Well, it's not as daunting as it might seem. In fact, it's a journey of discovery, creativity, and more importantly, fun. Imagine the thrill of bringing together individual components and watching them spring to life, working in harmony to deliver an immersive gaming experience. That's the beauty of building a gaming PC with Dell Optiplex. So, where do we start? First things first, you'll need a Dell Optiplex. They come in various models, but for our purpose, we'll focus on the mini tower versions. These offer the necessary space and flexibility for upgrades and modifications. Next, you'll need a powerful processor. A good choice would be an Intel Core i5 or i7. Remember, the processor is the brain of your PC, so choose wisely. Now let's move on to the graphics card. This is the heart of your gaming experience. Here you might want to consider a low-profile card like the NVIDIA GTX 1650 Super. It's compact yet powerful, capable of delivering high-quality graphics for most modern games. Memory is next on your list. A minimum of 8 gigabytes of RAM is what you'll need for smooth gameplay. However, if you can stretch to 16 gigabytes, you'll notice a significant performance boost. Storage is another critical component. A solid-state drive, or SSD, is preferable due to its speed. A 1 terabyte SSD should suffice, but feel free to add more if your budget allows. Power supply is also essential. You'll need to upgrade the default power supply unit to accommodate these new components. A power supply unit of around 500 watts should be enough. Finally, you'll need a good monitor, keyboard, and mouse to round off your setup. Once you've gathered all your components, it's time to assemble. Start by opening up your Dell Optiplex. Install the processor, followed by the graphics card, RAM, and SSD. Then replace the power supply unit. Make sure everything is securely connected and well ventilated. Close up your PC, connect your peripherals, and power it up. Install your favorite operating system, download your games, and you're ready to dive into the world of PC gaming. In summary, building a gaming PC with Dell Optiplex is a journey of discovery and fun. You start with a basic Dell Optiplex, choose your components carefully, and assemble them to create a powerful gaming machine. The benefits are numerous. You get to learn about computer hardware, gain a sense of accomplishment, and most importantly, end up with a gaming PC tailored to your specific needs and preferences. So go ahead, take the plunge. Build that Dell Optiplex gaming PC you've been dreaming about. It's a rewarding experience, and the result is a gaming machine that's uniquely yours.